Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha, aka Salona Styles, and today I'm going to do this makeup look with you guys. And I was just getting ready for the day. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. So today I'm going to do a look with the Modern Renaissance palette. I know I'm behind, but I didn't buy this when it came out, and then Ulta ran it on sale. I think $30, $32. I was like, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it while it's on sale, since I didn't get it the first time when it came out. So I'm taking this, it's a slight throwback, but I'm gonna do a look with this palette today. So of course I've already moisturized my skin since I just took a shower. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Photo Finish Primer Water by Smashbox. Okay, hold on. Okay. Let that. Gonna start with my brows that look a mess because I am growing them out. I tried to clean them up this morning, so they're irritated too. Now we're gonna clean them up with my MAC concealer. Put some concealer on the rest of your lid. Just use this beauty blender. So I'm gonna bust open the palette. I'll flip it back so you can see, which I'm sure you have already saw. And I have the brush in here, still in the plastic. I guess I'll pull it out, I can probably use it. So first, I'm going to just use some Laura Mercier translucent powder and just dust it over that concealer. And I do not know what I'm doing. I can't see what I'm doing because I'm holding the cap instead of the mirror. But yeah, just put some. You don't have to do this. You can actually use just like a whatever color you probably want to use as your transition shade. You can use that as well. With maybe raw sienna as my, I won't use that brush yet. I'll use the same blending brush I just used to put the Laura Mercier on there. And I'm gonna put that as a transition shade, even though I know I just used then I'm gonna go in, I'll probably use the bigger end of the brush that comes in the shadow, and I'm gonna slightly start bringing that up, blending it up a little bit higher up in my crease. And love letter. Let's just YOLO, right? Cypress umber, like really tight in the corner, and drag it in. Okay, we're gonna go use our concealer again. I kind of want that brush I was talking to y'all about, but I'll do it with this one. And we are going to, ooh, dug my nail in it for one. We are going to use it, grab this mirror. We are going, going to go over it with, I think I want to wet my brush first. I'm going to use the other end of the brush. Water. I probably shouldn't do that, but hey, improvise. And we're going to go in and use the Venetian red. And we're gonna start from the middle, or the end, and go towards the middle. With the inner corner where I left the rest of the crease, I'm gonna go in with the Primavera shade. I'm gonna try it without it being wet right now and see. Oh yeah, she's pretty. Yeah, I won't even wet her. And we're just gonna slowly bring her over, blend her over into the Venetian red we had. Back with that Cypress umber and just tap this a little bit in this corner again. Just a little bit. And we will grab and blend. Alright, so I'm going to use my Fenty. So we are grabbing the concealer brush, and I'm going to use a lighter concealer first, one of my MACs, and place On the other end of this beauty blender. I'm actually gonna dust that off with my Makeup Forever Dual Matte Powder. What shade is this? 216. And we're gonna use our terracotta bronzer. Okay. And we're just going to, of course, go around. Crazy point at the end of this beauty blender. I'm gonna be casket ready. To use this Telluride by Bobbi Brown. It's a highlighter, but it's kind of pinkish. So she's going to be my blush and my highlight. And I do know that I put that powder right here. I am just going to, okay, so we're just gonna dust the translucent powder off that we had on. I have this Essence Brow Gel on our brows. I'm using the Mario Badescu Rose Water. Like that. Put a little bit of mascara on. This is the Better Than Sex. I'm going to put some makeup underneath the lash line. We're gonna grab the Cypress Umber first and kinda, I don't know if y'all can see me, I'm kinda taking it in the corner right here and then blending it out. We're gonna put the Primavera in the corner at the bottom as well of the lash line. think I'm gonna put a little tempura on my brow bone.
Hey everybody.
Really? Under eye mascara on. Let's try this color. This is a NYX pencil. It is Ever. The color is called Ever. This is the finished look. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can see new videos coming from me very soon. I am getting back on it. If you are my subscribers, my subbies that have been missing me, I will be posting videos more frequently now. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.